Hi everyone, in this tutorial we are going to see about syntax in CSS3. Let's watch this amazing video. In before tutorial we seen about introduction to CSS, what is CSS, where we can use and which version, everything was explained in before tutorial. I hope it's like a very clear explanation. If you missed the tutorial, the link was available in description. Just go and learn what is CSS. And now in this tutorial I want to discuss what is the syntax of CSS. So I'll explain each and everything. So for that I'm creating new file which is called I'll save this file as .css file in the same HTML folder. I'm not creating the folder because if we create the folder we need to give the total directory of the folder while we are linking in HTML. I'll show everything, guys. You are also save this file in same folder so that need not be any headache for you. And I'm saving this file as like styles.css. So just I'm saving as style.css. You can see it's automatically saved and you can see the symbol which is like hash symbol. And now in this tutorial I already told I want to explain the syntax of HTML, syntax of CSS. So yes, for example we have like my first HTML, we have a .html file, so which is was explained in first tutorial what is my first .html. So here that paragraph and everything I want to style here. Is it possible or not? Yes. So first of all I want to style h1. So we are having, so actually this is called external CSS. What we can do, I didn't explain .css file in before tutorials, so that's why I'm taking this and I'm explaining this. And in upcoming tutorial I'll explain what is external, internal and inline CSS. No need to worry about that, but listen and careful about this. So first of all my task is I want to style this h1 heading of h1. So is it possible or not? Yes, of course. Is it possible? You need to give like h1 and just give these brackets. So here h1 is a selector and these brackets, what the code you need to write, you need to specify here. So in h1 you need to specify. So here so I need to give the color, so just give the color. So the color of I want like yeah, brown color. So I want just brown color. Just control S. Now just reload this one. Yes. If I just my first .html, if I do, you can see that nothing was done in h1. So it doesn't become like a brown color. Why? Because so while you are linking the CSS file in HTML, so yeah, I used the CSS file, but I didn't link it anywhere. So first of all we need to do in head tag, so that we need to link the CSS file that we are using this one. So further just give link 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 of, so rel. So rel means here related to style sheet. You need to specify which one you are linking. Just give the style sheet. And href, href means link, which link you are giving. So the name of the file which is like styles.css name, same name you need to give that. And just control s styles styles.css and just now just reload it. And you can see that the color was changed in h1. So because yes, I given the color of this is like brown color. So if you like, if you want the text align should be center, you can give another property was there. The text align should be center. And just control s, and just control s and just reload it, the it was center. Because I in before I didn't link it any CSS. So now I linked this one and just close this one. Actually, I didn't close it because it doesn't show any errors. That is the beauty of HTML, and just control S. So now here the H1 can call as an selector, and we are declaring what we want, the color and the text element, which is all called declaration. So in declaration we need to have this property. So here the color can call as an property, and brown the value which is called as an value, and here the text align is also called as an property, and the center is called as an value. And if you want to do the paragraph, if you want the paragraph color, if you want to give, so again just give p and just give like this, and say which color you want. And if you want the color, just give the color co, and just give the color. So in this time just give the color of this one is just give dark green, and just control s. Now you can see that the color was dark green, and don't forget to control s and just observe. Obviously it was in dark green. I think you are able to see it was in dark green. So like this you can do that by using CSS. So this is the syntax of CSS, I think, which was not explained in before tutorial, but I explained like inline CSS. You can give like style color equal to red, blue, like that also, which was explained, which is called inline. So this is all about the syntax of CSS, and we need to save the file as .css. I think it's like a very clear explanation. I'll come with another tutorial which is like what is internal CSS, what is inline CSS, and what is external CSS, and what are the difference between internal, external, and inline, where we can use everything. We'll explain in upcoming tutorial. Until then, wait for next tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll come with the new videos and new tutorials for you. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, just hit that subscribe button and give a like and share, and also just comment in comment section. Definitely I'll give reply to your comments. Thank you for watching this.